Guys, this is absolutely the best stuff to carry with you. Honest to God, just the other day, I'm at my 69 Charger, strike the oil pan on a pothole, starts dripping. This stuff saves me. It can save you too. Now, it's from J-B Weld. It's their twin tube epoxy. And this stuff really does give you the robustness of a metal-to-metal weld, but out of a tube. 5,020 PSI. So you're getting long-lasting, robust repairs, really right out of the tube. Celebrated for its strength and durability, J-B Weld has been the original cold weld since 1969. Now it's simple, this two-component epoxy not only bonds and seals, but it also fills in gaps, forming a permanent bond that can be sanded, drilled, tapped, or painted. Are you using J-B Weld Twin Tube? Easy, all right? You want to start prepping the surface, got Scotch-Brite, hit it with some brake clean, get that ready. You mix equal parts of the steel and the hardener, then you apply it to the hole in the fuel rail. You simply allow it to cure, and once it's set, it's ready to handle fuel flow again, just like it was from the factory. Now, the epoxy is both fuel and temperature resistant, up to 550 degrees, making it ideal for repairs like these. And for a faster solution, consider using KwikWeld Twin Tubes. Look, guys, it's that easy. Discover a full range of J-B Weld Twin Tube epoxies at jbweld.com.
This tip is brought to you by J-B Weld, the world's strongest bond.